welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan. I am a licensed cosmetologist and a lover of all things theatrical. And today I thought it would be kind of fun to do something we don't normally do, and that is to talk about proper artist etiquette. So things you shouldn't do to your makeup artist. Sorry I missed a couple weeks of uploading. The 1 week was Thanksgiving. I hope you guys enjoyed a wonderful Thanksgiving with your family. And then the following week, I was a little bit sick. So I was like, I'm not gonna film, and I'm not gonna put you guys through that. I'm not gonna put myself through that. So I just took that week off. But now I'm feeling a little bit better, and I figured let's jump into it with a fun video. So let's jump into it. All right, so I've been in the industry for over 15 years now, and I've seen a lot of things. So first thing on my list, and it seems like this should be a no-brainer, but it's not. You should never ask your artist to rush. Now I understand that we are all busy. Everybody's busy. I'm busy. You're busy. The client's busy. I get it. But one thing that you never want to compromise on when you are getting your hair and makeup done is quality. So if you don't have the time that the artist says that they need to be able to complete this beautiful work of art, I know that every artist's time frame can vary a little bit, but whatever time frame they give you, you really need to honor that, because the last thing that you want as the client is to have a rushed makeup look and to look terrible. You just don't want that. So don't set yourself up. If your artist is saying that they need 30 minutes to complete your face, give them 30 minutes. If your artist is saying that they need an hour to create this glam look, to you who maybe doesn't know makeup, it might seem like a long time, but if that's what they're saying they need, give them that time. Never rush your artist. Never be like, oh, I gotta go. Is there any way that you can squeeze me in? I know that your normal time is like an hour, but what if I give you 30 minutes? Do you think you can make it work? No, sis, no. No, you just can't. Give your artist the time that they need to complete the look. Number 2 on my list. Any makeup artist out there, I know you can relate to this. If you have a client sitting in your chair and they are not focused, they are on their phone or they're having whole conversations with people in the room and they're not being very cooperative, because when we're doing makeup and hair, we have to give them instructions. Hey, can you look this way? Hey, can you look up for me? Can you look down? And if they are so focused on their phone or whatever they're doing, they're not actually paying attention to what you're trying to do, your job. It makes it incredibly difficult for us to do our job. So I've had situations where like people have been on their phones and I just straight up stop. Because it's also a respect thing. Like if you respect me and you respect what I'm doing, please allow me to do my job. If you're so wrapped up in what you're doing that I can't do my job, I'm just gonna step back until you actually have the time for me to complete what I'm doing. Okay, this next one sounds funny, but it's actually real life. Number 3, never ask your makeup artist to work on an open wound. I swear to God, it's happened. Not only is it illegal, it's literally against OSHA rules and regulations to work on a client that has an open cut or an open wound. It's against the law. I technically can't do it. Not only is it illegal, but it's kind of disrespectful. Please do not come to me with an open wound. Please do not have cut your face and have it still be bleeding and sit in my chair. Sis, I don't want to see it. Does anyone want to see that? I don't want to see it. Please do not sit in my chair with an open wound because it's gross. It's disgusting. Yeah, don't do that. Just don't do it. I will not work on anybody's face with any type of infection or cut or laceration on the face. It's not safe for them and it's not safe for me. And I take my safety very seriously. Number 4, have realistic expectations. Okay, guys. Do not roll up into a makeup artist studio with a picture of Halle Berry and you look like you just stepped out of a war zone. No, sis. No. It's not realistic. Halle Berry is not you. Halle Berry's skin tone might not be your skin tone. Halle Berry's bone structure is probably not your bone structure. So reference photos are great and you should definitely bring them. You should bring pictures of eyeshadow combinations that you like, or kind of like a smoky look, or even the skin. You're like, ooh, I really love how dewy the skin looks in this photo. or maybe how matte this skin looks in this photo, definitely bring those photos, show them to your artist so that they have an idea as far as what you're looking for. But do not, I repeat, do not be out here thinking that we as makeup artists are magicians, because you'll be hurt. You'll be upset. And you don't have to be upset. Just have realistic expectations when you go into anybody's makeup chair. We will enhance you. We will enhance your beauty. But unless you are going for a special effects makeup look, which most people aren't, we are not gonna make you look like somebody you're not. We're not gonna make you look like Halle Berry. It's just not gonna happen. Okay, number 5, trust your artist. A lot of times people are nervous, especially if they've never done makeup before, and you're putting your trust in this person, which I understand can be kind of a scary thing, but if you have chosen this person, you've chosen them for a reason. So if they're giving you advice as far as what foundation color they think you should be wearing or what kind of makeup look they think you should be going for, trust them. Have a little bit of faith. Trust that they know what they're doing. So don't be so overly nitpicky and cautious that you're one of those clients that's like constantly in the mirror and you're just like looking at their every move like a hawk. It's just not a good environment for the makeup artist, and it's not a good environment for you as the client either. If you are so stressed that you can't trust, you know, every little stroke that your artist is putting on your face, then honestly you probably shouldn't be in that position. You should either A, hire another artist, or B, maybe just not get your makeup done if you're that uncomfortable. The other side to that is the client is afraid that maybe you'll mess something up and they'll end up looking crazy. Trust me when I tell you, we never want a client to walk out of our chair, number 1, upset. We never want you to be upset. We want you to be happy with the makeup look. And number 2, looking crazy. I mean, that's nuts. We never want that to actually happen because you are literally our business card. You are our walking billboard. So if you walk out of our chair looking a hot mess, guess what? That's my name. I look like a hot mess too. So trust your artist and know that you both want the same common goal, and that is to have you looking flawless, beat, and beautiful. So just have faith. This brings me to number 6. This one is probably one of the most important ones on my list. As a makeup artist, especially if you're a young makeup artist starting out, you are going to have clients try and haggle you down. It's unfortunate, it's not right, but they are gonna do it, they are gonna try it. And as a makeup artist, you really have to stand your ground and know your worth. It is so important in this business, and really honestly, in any business. You have to know what you're worth and what you're bringing to the table. When you're first starting out, you're gonna second guess yourself and you're gonna be like, oh, wait, should I take that price? Should I take that price point? Because maybe I really do need the money, and maybe my price point is a little too high. Maybe it shouldn't be that high. Trust yourself. Trust your process, trust your prices. If your prices are reasonable, you should always stand by them, no matter what. And whoever is hiring you should honor your prices as well. We don't go to a doctor's office or a mechanic and try to haggle them down in price whenever they give us the bottom line. We just say, oh, okay, that's what it costs. Here's your money. It is the same for makeup artists or anybody else in the service industry. If they give you a price, that is their price. And it is based on a multitude of things. It could be based on their area. It could be based on their years of expertise. It could be based on gas mileage. You don't know, but whatever the artist price is, that is their price, and you should honor it. And at the same time, if you feel like this artist has all these amazing qualities, wow, I've seen their work, they look lovely, wow, they look like they have great reviews and they seem awesome to work with, and it seems like they have an incredible work ethic, do not disrespect them by telling them, oh my goodness, I see all of these great things about you, but you're not worth your price. That's not okay. It is not okay. It's not acceptable. You, as the client, have a choice. If the price point is a little bit too high, there's other makeup artists out there. There's somebody for everybody. Now, will the quality be as good? I don't know. That's a gamble. But you have to decide if that's something that's worth it to you. Is this price point and the quality that you get worth it? Or are you willing to take somebody who might not be as experienced, but has a lower price point? That is up to you. But never try and talk your artist down because it's very disrespectful and it's not okay. All right guys, so I think that's gonna kind of wrap up this video. But I thought this was kind of something fun and different that we could do, hair and makeup related, that's not a tutorial. All right, if you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear them and answer them. I upload videos weekly, so if you enjoyed this video, will you please do me a favor and give me a big thumbs up? And also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you enjoy this content. And I'd love to see you guys next week. Thank you so much again for watching. Bye!